Oh, it's gonna get fixed.
Oh, it's gonna get
Oh,
fixed.
it's gonna get fixed.
Oh, it's gonna get fixed. New rollers, new hinges.
This thing is broke.
That's broke?
It's supposed to be that spring there. This isn't gonna...
Oh, come on. Now, how's that? How you fix that?
It needs that spring so it holds there.
Oh, from up there to there. It's just a little spring.
Yeah, we should have them in the shop.
What's going on, guys? Guess who's back?
Keep going?
Okay, Dilly P, Mr. Garage Doors, he's gonna try to fix this thing.
Oh, it's gonna get fixed.
Oh, it's gonna get
Oh,
fixed.
it's gonna get fixed.
Oh, it's gonna get fixed. What up?
Hi.
Hi. So where's the part?
Right there. That's the new one.
That's the exact same?
Yeah.
They look like they're in upside down. Those little nut and bolts. No? Let's watch Mr. Dilly P work his magic.
Yeah.
Get it!
That's the question.
The camera goes on? You
Fruity Pebbles. What?
The camera went on, everybody went quiet.
What do they got? What are you getting?
I don't know. Getting closer to
Popcorn.
Don't you guys get Louisiana chicken or something?
The what? Oh yeah, I've had that before.
It's just that easy, those three things, and take that thing out?
It's not that easy. You see, these don't have magnets. So I'll be doing this, and I'll just start losing bolts. And then,
You worried about bolts?
well, screws. And when these replacement ones new, they'll come with new screws. So you're kind of screwed if you lose them. I don't know if it would like make a difference if it start wobbling weird. I see it.
There it is. Got it. Out with the old. Look at that thing. It is chewed.
It is.
So what Dylan says with the what both of them said anyway is this: there's a bearing up top,
Yeah, this usually eats itself and shoots off.
but it's very loose. Is there a bearing?
It's up in here. These just chew themselves out.
Yeah. So up in here there's a bearing, and that gets sloppy.
This
and
happens way less
It gives
often.
this play, and then it starts chewing this, and then obviously
Well, not
this
even.
is what
This
happens.
shoots off.
This shoots off.
This shoots off. You'll open it. This is fine. This is from like the
So
door.
you could have
get-
literally
the
just
door
changed
gets
this.
stuck when.
You can just change that because there's a set screw. Unless you don't. I didn't like the way it was wobbly, so that's probably it. And then this is the replacement he has. I don't know how he had this, but he had it.
Pulled it out of a used motor.
You just keep old shit and then.
Sometimes. They always break. I don't know.
It's definitely lubed up. Tell the silent handyman family what you're doing.
I'm just taking these screws out,
Okay.
you know. Then I'm gonna put them back on. Hope it works.
Got it.
These are extra. I saved up.
What do you do, just press it a couple times and then keep pressing that button?
Sean, you might have to hit that arm button once, and you might have to hit that keypad like 3 times for it to go before it sinks.
Says you're 4.
Yeah, and you might.
What is
you
it?
literally just click it until the motor, like the light turns off on there. But the older ones, it's a couple times. Not like a once.
We're literally bringing this door back from death.
We are.
Like, not only was this not working, it was like the whole door. Like new brackets here, new rollers. Closer, we got a new one there, new one there. The spring was even missing. I don't know why that little spring there for this. That was missing.
Sometimes the spring will go like that big one, and these will still pick the door up without it. So I wonder if it did that, and over time the spring just kind of went.
Oh, was the spring not tension? Was that spring not tension when you started?
When we came, no. 'Cause
Oh,
the
maybe
cables
that's
were
what
off.
happened then.
The cables were off, right?
Yeah.
So
So that's probably what happened.
it was probably picking it up weird and cut the cable eventually.
Oh,
Something stupid.
that's a heavy door though, real with some wood.
Yeah. Once you get it like halfway, you're good.
What do you got in your finger, Dylan?
Cotton cheese. Cotton cheese? Is that a cottage cheese? Cotton cheese.
You gotta take that.
It's actually liquid earwax.
You gotta take the thing off first.
What thing?
The
Oh.
retainer there.
I guess. You should be a door guy.
Well, it's just common sense.
Oh, my bad. I shouldn't have saved the part. It's actually liquid earwax. I'm not even joking. Like I save it. It's the best kind of grease you can
You're
get.
gonna put it back in right now? It's gonna fit in that hole?
What?
I'm just gonna shut up.
Okay.
Watch me do all this and like the board is messed up.
It's fine. It was running.
Should you put some grease on that little thing that you just slid in the hole? Down here?
You can. Doesn't hurt.
You can probably spray that stuff on. Is that grease what you have?
Yeah, you want grease for this shit. Not, no, that's just lube for the spring and everything.
Rust protection lubricant.
Right on the cable.
You guys use that every day?
Every day, every job.
Just on your breaks, right? When no one's alone?
Yep.
When you're alone in a porta potty or something?
Yeah, you just wanna pet yourself.
Get it, Sean?
Mr. Sabe.
So is it possible to like press the button and this thing just not know where it is and it's gonna break or something?
The first time I changed one of these, I put the chain back on, hit the button, and it sent, like the door was down, it tried to send it back down more. And the customer was out there, and she was like,
Oh.
yeah. So when you put this in, you plug it in and you run it before the chain goes on, and you know what direction it goes.
Oh. Couldn't you just put that all, oh, you don't know what direction it's thinking right now. Okay.
The
I
left.
think it's up. That's what I think.
Well, it's right here where it is. This chrome piece, that's your open limit, and that's your close. Once it hits that silver piece here, it stops. When you move these,
Oh, that's how you do it? So that's old
that's the
school.
adjustment. You turn this, and it just makes it so it hits
Oh,
that
yeah.
and hit there.
So that's old school. Before all this electronic shit.
Yeah, now it's just buttons.
Yeah, the buttons. So what are these ones on the back then?
Those are force. I've never seen a yellow button like that.
Is that?
A button on the motor, I've never seen one like that.
I got this GoPro 12, guys. Mr. Dilly B, he's rocking like the GoPro 1.
The GoPro Hero.
The one that first started everything, I guess.
Still going.
Alright guys, my arm's getting tired, so I'm gonna turn you back on when we get this all done up.
Good.
Something's happening.
You good?
You're good. Road open. So yeah, I guess yeah, you can run it down.
Okay, you want to?
Yeah. Down. Yeah. Don't have a lot of them, you know.
We got it.
Yeah, I won't be surprised if it was something stupid like that.
Keep going.
That looks like it's
There's
really
more.
straight.
No more. It is. That's bad.
Can't you make it bigger and bring it back?
Yes.
Pizzow.
You like the angle or no? Because if the angle's fucked, that could have been what's
really.
messing the gator, right?
Yeah, it looks like it's very straight. Aren't they usually on like a 45 or something?
Yeah.
Like this would be okay if this was a swivel, but it's not. It's a hard pull. Like Jesus, but it swivels here, but still.
This just has to be right. Like there. Like there.
Do you want me off of that?
Set it where you want it, or even I can do it for you.
Something like that.
Tell me what you need.
Do you need a new impact?
Oh, Dylan needs one more than I do. Dylan needs one real bad.
Because I have two I can give you.
Our boss gives us some ones. He does what we need.
That's a mission.
Did you get it?
I got it.
I'm gonna go and get that, what are you doing now? I did that tension for the,
Belt. And then we'll just make sure that the close limit and everything's set good.
Doors start moving.
I'm gonna get that, light, do you wanna hold it? Can you do this? I'm just gonna get that other new light bulb and see if that's the case for, that's what's happening here. Use the light bulb. You don't even really need that light bulb.
I don't know, every time I shook the wire it was weird. But it wasn't like right on the connector. I could check the other side of the connector though.
Get it!
Be a loose wire or something.
Get it!
Could just be a loose wire or something.
I'm halfway to merch, guys.
Are ya?
No, sure.
Yeah.
Do I get this guy? Be yourself.
Depends how well you're filming here.
Was this chain? Did you run the motor ever?
Did
On
I?
the door? Did it ever work on the door?
No, this has never worked.
Okay. I'll just trust this fella.
You're filming his shoulder right now. Look at this.
I feel like I'm getting away with it.
I baptized the toilet today too.
I need that black adjustable one. Left. I don't need the big one. It's on the front, yeah.
Your camera should be tilted down, I think.
Hey.
Oh no, right there is good.
Is that tight? Or is
So
it-
how do you put what you just are recording onto your channel?
I go to my computer.
Put a wire into that.
Or an SD card.
Why is it a wire?
It's got an SD card. Micro SD card? I don't like that angle. It's kinda
So you must have a port. Like, how do you charge it? Or you have a, yeah, you have to.
There's a charger.
You have a charger to like an HDMI, not that.
USB. It's just
Yeah,
like an
you
iPhone
have
charger.
that? So you put that in your computer. Then you should be able to pull it off.
I don't know. It might, like you were saying, remember how like some work and some don't? Like
Yeah,
some of
with
them.
this technology, like even yours, even though it's.
I don't know. It wasn't
That
picking it
should
up.
be-
I don't know. I just take the SD card out, edit it up. That's it. Yeah, you run it.
Are we ready for the money shot?
Oh yeah, okay.
Whoa, 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 down, 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 hold it down, hold it down, hold it down. Sean, you're.
Oh. Holy. Sorry, I forgot it was a whole.
We forgot to take the lock off the,
Hey!
off the thing.
We're just making sure that motor got forked.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just want to make sure. Did you see the bend in that? It looked like a.
I've never done that.
This is why I don't do garage door openers, guys.
There's another one here, but I don't know what's that. Use this. Go back.
All right, guys, we got this all back in ship shape order here. Opener's working. We have that pad working, and I also got the key fob one working here.
Yeah, might be good.
It's number 1.
Too louder.
Maybe I lied. Did I lie?
Cool.
Which one was I pressing? This shit's not working now.
Explain your video why it's not working. I don't do doors. My door time's over, buddy.
It was literally just working. Okay, well this isn't working right now. I'll figure it out when I get back. Anything you say to, you know, anybody, Dylan?
Nope. I don't know.
Sean?
Nope.
Oh, that's cold. All right, guys.
We're gonna seal that package on.
Get it. Get it.
Don't forget.
See you on the next one.